Okay, this is Stan, and this is how you clean out trees. You ever? You put it in neutral, stupid.
No, it did. Hold on.
Oh! There's the bumper. It's okay. Alright. Give her a good one. You're not supposed to drive over it.
I gotta get off of it. Is that the front bumper?
Maybe.
Holy fuck! There's another tree to go.
Okay. Alright, come back over.
There goes any help.
Yeah. Well, we can put bars on it. Stupid, there's a tree there. Well, and that's the aftermath. Good work, stupid.
Did I get the tree out?
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, it's mostly out. This is the aftermath, and we'll see.
Oh, inner fender.
Pieces. More pieces.
Any more trees you want gone?
More goodies.
Oh, can I run over the deer?
And of course he's on top of it. No, leave the deer alone.
Look, you didn't get them.
Yeah, I know I'm lucky. And there's the bumper. Actually, the thing's in surprisingly good shape. Cool. Okay.
Hey, fog lights are still good.
Yeah, still good.
And we want to videotape it going through that?
No. Okay, next time. Okay, that's all.